My opinion for the future is that as the older generation is dying, very few younger people are joining, and the movement future is with the younger generation. And without the younger generation and our comrades focus to establish links with the people of Indian origin, the Indian Work Association not going to last. It's up to them how they work to establish close links with the population of Indian origin and also link with the other communities as an organization. And to be blunt, that now exist only active branches, only three: Birmingham, Woolwich and Erith, and Bradford, with Sarban Bands disappearing and Gurdial Olak on his last leg. There is no one else to continue IWA work in Leamington Spa. Okay.
So how would you suggest that they go about the recruiting, the interest, the involvement of the younger generation?
I already suggested that unless they create links with the Indian origin people, youths or elderly, the Indian Work Association demise is not very far.
So is there any particular methodology as to how that if this hasn't happened up to now, what can actually happen to make it happen?
No, it continued to happen because activists were working with the people, close connection with the people, serving the people, and the organization remained active and people joined.
Do you think publicising the history of the Indian Workers Association and its achievements on a wider social media platform, particularly with FE colleges and universities, when there is more of a political consciousness that's awake in younger people, that might be a route to get volunteers?
It is one form of tool to use, and but the traditions in the Indian communities, close links with the people. The other thing that I would say to the comrades, yes, we have focused a lot on Indian politics, but the our generation, or the people in their even 60s or late 50s or 70s, they were interested in the Indian politics. Read Punjab Times, this, Pradesh, all this and that. But the younger generation, they are not interested in the Indian politics, and they even on a position whereby they don't even want to go back to manage the properties of their parents. And that is the opinion, like Sarban's elder son and younger son. They told their mother that it's up to her to sell or not sell, we're not going back. And this is the opinion, not it is the position of almost all second and third generation. Yeah. So I would say that yes, continue to give moral support to the people in distress in India, but giving all the time on that will not attract Indian youth. Okay, ਮੇਰਾ ਹੁਣ ਗਲ ਥੱਕ ਗਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ
Okay.